and welcome to FEINDEF, the International Defense Exhibition in Madrid, Spain. Army Recognition is the official online show daily news and web TV for the event. And during 3 days, we will provide latest news and video coverage about this event. In its effort to become one of the world's leading defense trade fair, FEINDEF will have 40,000 square meters of exhibition space, nearly 400 exhibitors from 25 countries, and more than 100 international delegations, surpassing the previous edition. FEINDEF is also an opportunity for European defense markets to create new business activities and relations with national and international defense companies. In addition, FEINDEF will promote its commitment to technical and scientific research and innovation as a driver of economic and technological development and social integration.
So my name is Joe Acquaviva and I'm the head of the land systems for CNIM System Industria.
Hello, my name is Ghilen Tomotoeva. I am Defense Sales Director at CNIM.
So CNIM has been a major equipment supplier for the military forces, whether it's on marine forces or land forces, for more than 100 years now. The product that we are showcasing today at FEINDEF, it's the very well-known now wet gap crossing solution called the Motorized Floating Bridge in France, PFM. So this product is one of our flagships for the last 40 years now. We've been providing this solution for wet gap crossing to a lot of NATO armies, for France and others, and we're very happy now to develop and supply the third improved version of this product. So a few words on how the concept works. It's very well known. It's for first you need to bring the various sections and ramps of the system on the shore with dedicated mobility systems. It can be trucks, it can be carriers, it can go on semi-trailers. It has various options depending on the customer need. And then you deploy them very carefully and gently in a very controlled way to launch them in the water, where they can assemble themselves due to the propellers that are embedded in the system, which is something unique in the market. The other competitive system need to use bridge erection boat in the water to maneuver the various modules. We don't need that, and the system comes as a whole and is fully autonomous. It needs, of course, personnel on board to withstand all the heaviest modern vehicles, including the American Abrams tank in its third and heaviest version. This is one of the main reasons that we've been chosen by the Polish Army last year to be the sole provider of wet gap crossing solution for the next years, and we're very proud to have been chosen there. One of the benefits of the system is the ability to go either on a continuous crossing, which is a continuous bridge from one bank to another, to be able to cross a very large number of vehicles at the time, or to go on the ferry mode. So you typically build two ferries that goes forth and back between the two banks for the crossing of a smaller amount of vehicles. So the second product we showcase today at FEINDEF is our route clearance systems, namely the ROCUS, ROCUS. Let me just say that we just delivered the first 7 units to our customer, and these 7 units are soon to be deployed in the Ukrainian war on ground. A few words about the system. Well, it's a route clearance system, and the situation is the following: you have a convoy traveling on the road or on a truck, and you have a suspicious object in front ahead. So the convoy stops, and then you deploy this system that is typically towed in the back of the convoy, and you remotely drive the system next to the possible threat, and with the payload, the various payloads which I will describe later on, and the various vision camera, you assess the threats, and you either confirm that it's harmless or that it is an IED. All the operation is remotely performed by the operator safely from the mother vehicle under shield. So the operation is without line of sight and is fully controlled by the human interface. Main payload is really the hydraulic arm that is on top of it, and that is 4 meter reach and can lift 100 kilograms load at full extent of 4 meter reach. The system can be operated as far as 200 meters, and with special option we can definitely increase this range. It's a wireless link, it's a robust link, and again it can be operated safely from an operator in the mother vehicles.
I'm the CEO of NVLS, which stands for Night Vision Laser Spain. We are presenting all our night vision devices, monocular, binocular, Air Force application, Land Force application, Navy application, and also our range of thermal and cool systems. So we have developed, using a new technology of optical design, we have developed wide field of view systems in a very compact size, with very high resolution, very low distortion, and the shortest in the market. This has been a wish of the armed forces and the special operators for many, many years, but there was no possibility of getting something usable on the field. We managed to design something that is now really usable, and there is no loss of performance compared to the 40 degrees standard field of view systems which are in the market. We are unique now in this sector. We are the only ones having this product. We won last year in international competition a big contract for the Spanish Army Special Forces for the Special Operations Command. They were delivered in December, and we just got today a new follow-on order from the Spanish Air Force Special Operators, and we plan to get in the coming months in Spain big contracts which will be several thousand systems. Parallelly, we are introducing the new product in NATO forces. Our target customer is sophisticated European NATO users, and also Southeast Asia, Far East Asia, and our local distributors in the Gulf area. The new product is a full range of night vision devices. We start with this product. This is the unique wide field of view pilot goggle. The second product is a family of monoculars. We have it in 50 degrees, which uses 16 millimeter image intensifier, 52 degrees, which uses 18 millimeter image intensifier. The next member of the family is the binocular, the dedicated binocular, also in 50 degrees and 52 degrees. And this is mainly used for operators that need a stereoscopic sight view, like drivers. The last member of the wide field of view family is a panoramic night vision goggle that features 102 degrees. The vision, we can have a look at this poster. Here you see what I am meaning. 40 degrees field of view in confined spaces in a hostage rescue situation, and this is what you get with the 102 field of view degrees. You have a complete peripheral vision in the same angle that you have in daylight human vision. Try wide field of view, look at the benefits, find out the benefits of having a broader, wider vision, check the capacity and the lightness of the systems, which means safer and more dedicated application of your night vision system.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you to Elbit for the strong collaboration. I mean, when we envisioned this project, MOMI was a future view that we can launch a revolutionary concept into the market. Thank you for the close cooperation, for the transparency and the involvement of the team to make this happen. I appreciate sincerely this close collaboration we have achieved this year. We appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Muchas gracias, Victor. Sorry, I have to move to Spanish. So he took all my words. So first, I would like again to thank our long partner relationship with GDELS, and especially with Santa Barbara Sistemas. In front of us, you can see the ASCOD with a turret 105mm, which already going to be delivered for the customer, Philippines customer. So we finished all the tests, and we are now in the process of delivering the vehicle. This vehicle also, this turret can carry also 120mm gun, additional to 105 instead of 105. And all this coming from the technology which we are providing to Santa Barbara Sistemas and GDELS from our 40 years of experience with MBT in Israel, mainly all the family of Merkava. And I would like to impress our cooperation between the two organizations, GDELS and Elbit. We have several projects successfully running together, and we are looking forward for many other projects, which mainly we are supplying the weapon system, and we are using Santa Barbara's platform for all our applications. So again, thank you very much for GDELS allowing us to present the Sabrah turret here. Thank you.